During assembly, testing, and packaging of semiconductors, equipment conditions and shift operator performances are key indicators to understanding the production line efficiency. But such data cannot be observed in your regular SPC charts, which only focus on product quality monitoring.
When failure alarms are triggered, production managers or process engineers must address the quality issue immediately.
As preventive measures, engineers may investigate and identify the issue by analyzing the operator shift or equipment performance from the violation triggered. The right solution will speed up the root cause analysis to determine if the underlying problem is due to man, machine, method, or material. The solution here is the Trend Grouping Plugin, or TGP for short.
It complements your line workspace system and allows you to analyze smarter by grouping samples into a certain group.
You can now enjoy hassle-free integration into your system without additional programming or IT skills required. This add-on solution makes it easier to display performance variations among shift operators and equipment, significantly helps you in your root cause analysis. The TGP plugin is only one of the many space chart plugins available to ease your production run.
Want to learn more? Let's get in touch. Visit camline.com. Work smarter, achieve more.